Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make 5 minutes omurice with creamy scrambled eggs on top. It is quick, easy and delicious. I will share with you more of the 5 minutes recipes on this channel once in a while. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Drain the oil of the tuna and add 2 tablespoons of tuna into the rice. You can measure by eye like me. My first tablespoon was too much, so I added less the next one. Then you need defrosted mixed vegetables. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Did you know 2 tablespoons of Kagome Tomato Ketchup equals to 1 tomato? It is nutritious and tasty, so this is why we Japanese use tomato ketchup very often. I hope I answered to your question. Then add salt and pepper. This traditional pepper called table pepper is very popular in Japan. It is a mixture of black pepper and white pepper. You may want to try out if you can find it. Of course, pepper on hand is absolutely okay. I'm just sharing our food culture today. Then microwave for a minute to make it warm. Meanwhile, let's start making the creamy scrambled eggs. Mix egg, mayonnaise, salt, and milk. When the rice is done, serve the rice on a plate. Then microwave the egg on medium for a minute. You don't need to cover. Quickly remove from the microwave and mix well. If you think it is too creamy, you can cook 10 more seconds at a time until it is cooked to your preference. Pour over the egg on top of the rice. Then decorate with some more ketchup. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
おいしい。大成功だね。卵が絡んでいてミックスベジタブルで食べやすくてマイルドですごく美味しいです。よく食べるね。
おいしい。
おいしい。
食べたい。
食べたい。どうぞ。はい。すごい食べやすいよね。ぜひ試してみてください。
またね。
またね。